Welcome to Dubai, a city that instantly brings to mind luxury, towering skyscrapers, and record-breaking attractions. But here's a secret many people don't know. You don't need to be rich to enjoy this incredible city. In fact, some of the most memorable experiences in Dubai are completely free or surprisingly affordable. In this video, let's explore 10 amazing things you can do in Dubai without breaking the bank. Whether you're a backpacker, a student, or just someone who loves exploring smartly, this is your ultimate guide to enjoying Dubai on a budget. Let's start with a place that takes you back in time, the Fahidi Historical District, also known as Al Bastakia. This is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Dubai, filled with narrow lanes, traditional sand-colored houses, and those iconic wind towers that once kept homes cool before air conditioning existed. You can wander through peaceful alleys lined with art galleries, cultural exhibits, and small coffee shops, all for free. Don't miss the Dubai Coffee Museum and the XVA Art Gallery. Both are hidden gems that capture the charm of old Dubai. Next, hop aboard an Abra ride on Dubai Creek. This small wooden boat has been a traditional mode of transport for decades, connecting Dera and Bur Dubai. The best part? The ride costs just 1 dirham. Yes, only one. As you glide across the calm waters, you'll see a mix of the old and the new, bustling souks on one side and modern buildings on the other. It's one of the most authentic and affordable experiences you can have in Dubai. After that, explore the gold and spice souks in Daira. These traditional markets are free to enter, and walking through them is like stepping into a sensory wonderland. The spice souk is filled with the aroma of saffron, cinnamon, and dried roses, while the gold souk dazzles with windows full of elaborate jewelry. Even if you don't plan to buy anything, browsing through the stalls and bargaining with shopkeepers gives you a taste of Dubai's lively trading culture. If you're looking to relax, head to JBR Beach, one of Dubai's most popular public beaches. It's completely free to enter, and you can enjoy the clean sand, warm sea, and beautiful skyline views. There are outdoor gyms, jogging paths, and plenty of restaurants and cafes nearby. In the evenings, JBR turns into a vibrant street scene with music, food trucks, and performers. It's the perfect place to unwind without spending a dirham. No trip to Dubai is complete without seeing the Dubai Fountain Show. And the best part is, it's absolutely free. Located right outside the Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa, this massive fountain dances to music and lights every evening. Jets of water shoot up to 150 meters high, perfectly synchronized to Arabic, Bollywood, and international songs. For the best view, stand on the bridge between Souk Al Bahar and the Mall Lake. You'll witness one of the most spectacular shows in the world without paying a single coin. If you're visiting during the winter months, make sure to stop by Global Village. Entry tickets cost just around 20 dirhams, and inside, you'll find a world of cultural pavilions representing over 70 countries. You can enjoy street performances, fireworks, and delicious international food, all for a fraction of what you'd pay elsewhere. Global Village truly gives you the feeling of traveling around the world in one night. For a slightly higher but worthwhile experience, visit the Dubai Frame. Tickets cost about 50 dirhams, and it's one of Dubai's most unique landmarks. From the top, you can see old Dubai on one side and the modern skyline on the other, connected by a glass-floored bridge 150 meters high. It's a fantastic spot for photos and one of the best value attractions in the city. If you want to slow down and enjoy a peaceful afternoon, plan a picnic at Zabeel Park or Safa Park. Entry is just 5 dirhams. These lush green spaces are perfect for families or solo travelers who want to escape the city buzz for a while. You can relax under palm trees, go for a jog, or simply watch the skyline glowing in the distance. During winter, there are often food festivals and outdoor movie nights that make the experience even better. Another spot worth visiting is the Jumeirah Mosque, one of the most beautiful and open to all mosques in Dubai. For a small fee of around 35 dirhams, you can join a guided tour organized by the Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding. The tour includes Arabic coffee, dates, and insights into local traditions and religion. It's an eye-opening and respectful way to experience Emirati culture up close. And finally, end your day at Seef, a picturesque waterfront area along Dubai Creek. Walking here is free, and it's one of the best places to catch the sunset. The area combines modern cafes with traditional style architecture, giving you that perfect blend of old and new Dubai. In the evenings, the lights reflect beautifully on the water, creating a calm, magical vibe, a perfect end to your budget-friendly Dubai adventure. Before you go, here's a quick bonus tip. Use the Dubai Metro. It's clean, efficient, air-conditioned, and extremely affordable. You can travel between major attractions like the airport, Burj Khalifa, Mall of the Emirates, and Dubai Marina for as little as 3 dirhams. It's one of the smartest ways to get around without wasting money on taxis. Dubai might be known as the city of luxury, but these experiences prove that you can enjoy its beauty, culture, and modern charm without spending much. Whether it's watching the fountains, relaxing at the beach, or exploring ancient alleys, every corner of Dubai has something amazing to offer. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and discover how much of Dubai you can experience on a budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment below which of these places you'd love to visit first, and stay tuned for more budget-friendly travel guides around the world.